Good morning friends and welcome to the pre-market view. US markets were up about 0.2 to almost about 0.4%. In fact, S&P managed to close at the record high levels. Earnings season has not been great, but still market continues to remain quite resilient there. Even European markets were up anywhere from 0.4% to almost about 0.75%, and DAX in particular managed to scale all-time new high. And when we look at the Asian markets, Nikkei, Hang Seng both are marginally up. Couple of markets in Asia are down, and SGX Nifty is suggesting that we are going to open flat. In terms of flows, friends, FIIs after a long spell were net buyers in the cash market to the tune of 390 crore, and the domestic institutions were also buyers to the tune of about 96 crore in the cash market. And on the F&O side, the FIIs were net buyers to the tune of about 1137 crore. Overall, our markets has managed to go up in the past 4 trading sessions. Bank Nifty is up almost about 950 points, and even the Nifty is up almost about 250 to 275 points. And clearly, though the numbers this quarter have not been up to the mark, the focus has shifted to the budget and the kind of stocks and sectors that would participate in a pre-budget rally. So on that note, let me invite our F&O expert to take you through important F&O cues and ideas that we can have from the derivative desk.
Good morning friends, let's have a view on derivatives. Extending their northward journey for the 4th trading session, the Indian benchmark indices witnessed an enthusiastic performance on Friday's trade. As we've seen that sentiments remain positive since start of the trade, and many of the blue chip counters like Jindal Steel, Lupin, M&M, TCS which were up in the range of 3 to 8% each, and which supported the index to close the session near day's high at 8841 levels with a significant gain of 1%. In this period, we have seen that long positions were built up by market players as open interest has increased by 2.66% from 2 crore 64 lakhs to 2 crore 71 lakhs. Approximately 7.03 lakh shares were added in Nifty futures. Also, Nifty futures price increased significantly by approximately 90 rupees. Cost of carry is decreased by 5.51% from 12.17% to 11.49%. Also, Nifty futures premium decreased marginally from 40 points to 36 odd levels. Sharp increase was seen in PCR. It is increased significantly by 8.89% from 0.90 to 0.98, which is clearly indicating that put option has seen good build-up than call option. On Friday's trade, we have seen that put option has added around 33 lakh shares in open interest, whereas call option has reduced approximately 16 lakh shares in open interest. India VIX was down marginally by 0.30%. It's finally settled at 20.10%. In the options activity, we have seen that 8,800, 8,900 call option has reduced its shares in open interest. In the put option, we have seen that 8,800, 8,700 put option has added huge number of shares in open interest, and on Friday's trade we have seen that 8,500 put option has reduced its shares in open interest, and that activity was shifted to 8,600. That means people are adding their positions from lower strike price to higher strike price, which is a positive sign for the market going forward. On ban period front, there are 2 securities in ban period. One is HDL, second is Indiabulls Real Estate. And on Friday's trade, FIs were net buyers of approximately 900 odd crores in future and option segment. They were net buyers of 1,137.37 crore index futures. Huge long positions were built up by FIs in index futures. Approximately 3% shares were added in open interest. Along with they have bought 1,137 crores index futures. And they were net buyers of 249.57 crore index options. They were net sellers of 430.22 crore in stock futures. They were net sellers of 59.44 crore in stock options. Our Friday CVM stands at 8750. Lower range for the market would be 8750, which can act as a strong support going forward, and higher range would be 8900. Currently, Singapore Nifty is up by 3.50 points, which is at 8854.50. We may see a marginal flattish to positive start in Nifty futures today. That's it from the derivatives. Thank you.
Friends, let me take you through Sharekhan pre-market action. Starting with trading ideas. First of all, a long call on HDFC Bank as they reported good set of numbers. The net interest income growth was 23% and the net profit growth was about 20%. Even on the NPL front, there was a bit of improvement. So one can go along on HDFC Bank with a stop loss of 1044 and a target of about 1098 to about 1119. Sun Pharma came out with a weak set of numbers. The net profit declined 7%, even there was a marginal decline in the net income or the revenue. So one can short Sun Pharma with a stop loss of 951 and a target of about 904 to about 885. In other news and developments, Dilip Sanghavi of Sun Pharma is going to buy 23% stake in Suzlon. The open offer has been made at a price of 18 rupees. The petrol and the diesel prices have been hiked by 82 paisa and 61 paisa respectively. And in the coal auction blocks in the first round, Hindalco, GMR and Reliance Cement have managed to bag the blocks. And Tata Steel has decided not to make any further investments in the Banga coal asset in Mozambique and is looking to sell its 35% stake in that particular coal asset. SBI on Friday reported steady set of numbers. The net interest income growth was pretty okay. The net profit growth was about 30% on a YOY basis. And the key highlight of the performance was the containment of the NPS, particularly compared to some of the other PSU banks, which is why we are seeing some positive bias for SBI. And Eros International reported 13.4% growth in the revenues, and Oil India net profit actually plunged to almost about 498.2 crore. Here is a list of stocks with positive and negative bias. Stocks with positive bias are Oriental Bank, Coal India, and stocks with negative bias are IOC and PFC. Stocks with investments that we like at this point of time: L&T, Aditya Birla Nuvo, Tata Motors BVR, Infosys and Ultratech Cement. That's it from all of us, friends. Have a great trading session and see you tomorrow at the same time.